So here are the motorbikes. Make a YouTube video. Motorbikes. It's got like three here, and upstairs. So when you walk in, you're gonna do some stairs. We come upstairs. You come upstairs. It's got a lot of furniture. Here are motorbikes. So they've got big ones, medium sized ones. It's got loads. And if you want to come down and get a bike, yeah, come on down and get a bike. Nice. They're nice bikes. And he's got these two police things, but this one says road illegal. So this is he's got two buggies, both cool, and he's got a quad bike and a tiny little. This was actually the first motorbike he got in, and I used to ride it. So this is a gas one. So yeah, bye. And in my next video I'll tell you where the shop is and all that. Bye.